Well, well, well. Now look at this misery, huh? Let's check him out. He's been sleeping for I don't know how long, maybe 2 weeks, maybe 3. Damn, looks cool in the slide, doesn't it? Okay. Can you tell? Let's bump that up a little bit. So battery's missing. I had issues with the starter. The relay fired through, and I think I fried the starter in the process. Yeah, quite a misery. Fuck. Fuck. Well, as we are speaking, it's starting to snow again. It's like 1 degree outside, raining, quite gloomy. And just as a quick update, I enjoyed the heck out of winter. I tested this machine and I camped out of it, I think once or twice, even in sub-zero conditions, and it was quite enjoyable. But I had quite a few things happening to me and to my family that made me neglect this beautiful vehicle. And coming to today, it won't even start. I took out both batteries, and I think in a rushed attempt to start the car, I fried the starter motor, the starter, whatever you call it. We had one day where it was like minus 16 degrees and freezing rain, and Celsius, that is minus 16 Celsius, and after that I tried to start it, and I think something within the electrical froze up, and I fried quite a bit, and then I left the reading light in the front on, killed the battery, so currently it's sleeping. But I wanted to show you something very interesting. It's not in here, it's over in the house. I got a new cave. Let's go there. Welcome to the cave, my dudes. Fuck. Yeah, it looks quite messy, but I promise you, I've organized it once and cleaned the floor, cleaned the drawers, cleaned everything. And now the funny task ahead of us is to sort everything and get this into a working condition man cave, proper workshop cave thing. This is my father's old workbench and like tons of shit. Can't even imagine how much beautiful material was stored here all these years. And it got lots of potential. And while I can't figure out why Captain Crunch isn't starting, I'll do some other fun projects down here. I want to start something I'd call Restore Random Stuff. No, that way. Restore Random Stuff. Yeah, that's cool. Restore Random Stuff. We'll figure something out. Yee! Oh yeah. So you get the view from that side. Look at it one last time. I'll put a GoPro up there and then I'll shoot time lapse. So roll the montage. What? Good morning, guys. It's 8:49. It's the second day. Yeah, let's go get it. Yee. Ta-da! Well, it doesn't look like much, but tell you what, it was 2 days worth of work. Haven't gotten to this part yet, but I've sorted through that thing,
to a random assortment of bits and bobs, bolts and nuts and whatever. Now screws live in here, bolts and washers and everything lives in here. Then I thought it through, a bunch of boxes that were laying right here. In there now is a bunch of electrical parts. Haven't sorted through the horse stuff yet, because I'm not quite sure if my parents want to keep that or not. But I'll definitely use most of the leather for some other projects. In there is a bunch of hardware and random stuff. There you have a fingerboarding skate park. Up here is a little bit of memorabilia, as well as here. I found Jesus in the process. He lost both his arms. One is there, the other one can't be found. Have to make a new one. And what I wanted to film initially was the unboxing of this baby right here. This is something I won through Instagram, but I think we'll have to do that in the next one. This is from Huan, and Huan is one of the best tools, equipment manufacturers there are in the world. And I'm using these for quite some time now, but I have to tell you, what lives in this box outdoes this in anything. And in the next video I think we'll use this new tool to assemble that new tool, a new complete board. I'll put it together to test the capability of this. In this shelf we have some art supplies, camera equipment, some stainless steel bobs, some motorbike equipment and old stuff. And then we have random paint supplies, more paint supplies, even more paint supplies. And then there's that battery to revive it by any chance. My welder, my how do you call it? It's a mobile compressor. It's very nice. Haven't sorted through this yet, but so far so good. Yeah, I'll have a seat for this one. Thank you guys for being so patient with me, and thanks for joining me again. My name is Gregory. This was PAJ Overland, and you'll see me very soon. I promise. I love you guys. Be safe, stay healthy. Peace out.